KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
We're really excited about a brand new product that has been heavily demanded from us over the past year, and we have delivered and more with KD-SX440WP HDBT switcher, extender, and scaler transmit and receive kit. So both your transmitter and your receiver are in the box with this, including an brushed aluminum Decora plate to ensure you match the tone perfectly in your conference room, in your classroom type applications. On the transmit side, which is your wall plate, all you need is a single network cable from the receive unit. It will power the transmitter where you have HDMI and VGA with analog audio. You press the button here to switch between the two sources, or you may press and hold that button for 10 seconds so that the light illuminates and will become solid, indicating you are now in auto switching mode, making it extremely user-friendly no matter who comes in to use the system, and regardless of their experience level with the installation, they'll get their content on the screen so they could worry more about their presentation and less about the technology. You also have an IR sensor built into the faceplate so that you can send IR signals downline to come out of the receive unit for powering remote equipment, projectors, or displays. Lastly, the KD-SX440WP will scale your incoming analog VGA signals. So you may have a fixed output resolution, fixed output resolution, such as 1080p, 720p, etc. You may fix your aspect ratio, the horizontal screen adjustment, and vertical screen adjustment, ensuring that when you come in with a variety of legacy equipment, you will always have a full screen on your projector or display. For more information, you just head over to KeyDigital.com and use our search panel in the top right of our webpage, typing in the letters SX440WP.